Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change language in the CoinMarketCap application using your Android device, whether you are using a tablet or a mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open the CoinMarketCap application icon on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, click on Language. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language from the options. After you make a selection, you can then go back, and then the app will automatically reload or refresh in the selected language. You can get back to the same menu and try out different language setting according to your preference whenever you want. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in your CoinMarketCap application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.